The data breach. What happened? In the fall of 2023, a small family-owned bakery in Chicago, known as Sweet Cravings Bakery, experienced a devastating cyber attack. The bakery was a staple in the community, famous for its custom cakes and pastries, and it operated an online ordering system to accommodate local and corporate clients. The breach started with a phishing email sent to one of the bakery's employees. The email appeared to be from a trusted vendor and included an invoice attachment. When the employee opened the attachment, it unleashed malware into the bakery's point-of-sale POS system. The attackers gained access to sensitive customer data, including credit card information, email addresses, and even some personal messages attached to custom orders. The breach also allowed hackers to access employee payroll data, further compounding the damage. The extent of the breach was massive for a small business. Over 2,000 customer records were compromised, and the bakery's POS system was rendered inoperable for nearly a week. Responding to the attack, the businesses experienced immediate response. The bakery owners, James and Maria, realized something was wrong when customers began reporting unauthorized charges on their credit cards. They immediately shut down the POS system and contacted their IT consultant. Unfortunately, the bakery did not have a dedicated cybersecurity team or a robust incident response plan. Communication, James and Maria decided to be transparent with their customers. They sent out an email explaining the breach and advising customers to monitor their bank accounts for suspicious activity. They also reported the incident to the authorities and worked with a third-party cybersecurity firm to assess the damage. Recovery and remediation recovery was a challenging process. The bakery replaced its compromised POS system, implemented multi-factor authentication, and began encrypting all customer data. They also conducted a thorough audit of their systems to ensure no further vulnerabilities existed. Additionally, they offered 1 year of credit monitoring services to affected customers to regain trust. Key takeaways for businesses. Prevention is key. The Sweet Cravings Bakery Experience offers several critical lessons for businesses, especially small ones. 1. Proactive cybersecurity measures. Sweet Cravings learned the hard way that cybersecurity is a non-negotiable business investment. They now emphasize the importance of having firewalls, endpoint security, and data encryption in place no matter how small the business. You can afford to think cybersecurity is optional, says James. Small business is just as much at risk as a large corporation. 2. Employee training. The breach was made possible by an employee falling victim to a phishing email. James and Maria now invest in regular cybersecurity training for their staff. They understand that one mistake can open the door to a massive breach, and employees are the first line of defense. Teaching staff to recognize phishing emails and other threats is a simple but effective way to reduce the risk, Maria shares. 3. Regular audits. One of the key vulnerabilities that was overlooked was the bakery's POS system. While it had worked well for years, it was not regularly updated or audited for security risks. Sweet Cravings now conducts routine security audits, ensuring that all software and hardware are up to date and that any new threats are quickly identified and mitigated. Beyond security, the impact on reputation and trust. The cyber attack didn't just affect Sweet Cravings' operations, it severely impacted the bakery's reputation. Many of their loyal customers were disappointed, and some corporate clients paused their orders due to concerns over data safety. This created a ripple effect that spread through the bakery's local community. However, James and Maria decided to confront the issue head-on. They organized a Customer Appreciation Month where they offered discounts, hosted a community event, and expressed gratitude for the support they had received over the years. They also shared regular updates on the steps they were taking to improve security. This approach, combined with their transparent communication, slowly began to rebuild trust with their customers. Rebuilding customer confidence wasn't an overnight process, but over time, the community started to return. James and Maria learned that rebuilding trust requires more than just fixing the technical issue. It's about showing the community that you care and that you're committed to ensuring that the same mistake won't happen again. Looking ahead, a stronger cybersecurity posture. Sweet Cravings Bakery's experience was a wake-up call. Today, James and Maria are more committed than ever to maintaining a strong cybersecurity posture. They've forged an ongoing relationship with a cybersecurity consultant, ensuring that they are always up to date with the latest threats and solutions. They now encourage other small business owners to take cybersecurity seriously. Small businesses often think they're too small to be targeted, Maria notes. But that's exactly why they're often the easiest targets for hackers. You have to be proactive. Key steps they recommend include implementing multi-factor authentication MFA. MFA adds an extra layer of security, ensuring that even if a password is compromised, unauthorized access is still blocked. Training employees regularly. Make sure that all employees understand the basics of cybersecurity and know how to spot threats like phishing emails. Performing regular backups and audits. Regularly back up critical data and conduct security audits to identify vulnerabilities before they're exploited. For small businesses, the question is not if an attack will occur, but when. By sharing their story, James and Maria hope to help others avoid the mistakes they made and create a safer environment for both their customers and employees. Cybersecurity isn't just for big corporations, it's critical for businesses of all sizes. If you want to protect your business from a similar fate, take action now. Invest in security measures, train your employees, and stay vigilant. Start today by checking out the resources linked in the description. Protect your business, protect your customers, and build a secure future for your company.